Great, you're here. You're 5 minutes late, but that's fine. To be honest, I'm impressed. I thought you'd have covered out like a mouse already. Tiny, squeaky, terrified. Sit down, and don't touch anything unless you accidentally want to lose a finger or two. And don't speak unless it is to answer my question. And if you do answer, make sure it's clear and precise. Are we clear? Good. Let's start this interview. What's your name? And your age? And if you were to commit something despicable against your kind, what form of torture would you prefer? That's too tame for my taste, but acceptable. And tell me, why is your favorite kind of poison and why? Excellent choice. And are you the kind of person to thrive in chaos like family dinners or any festive holidays? Perfect. And how do you feel about handling sharp objects? Hypothetically, of course. As my writing assistant, I require someone who is morbidly fascinated by the heinous crime committed against humanity. Your choice of clothing, a floral outfit, suggests the opposite. How do you plan to compensate for that? I see. That's a pretty adequate answer if I say so myself. And what's the worst thing that you've ever done that is close to committing a crime? If it involves fire, I'll be impressed and you can consider yourself hired. And on the scale of 1 to 10, how comfortable are you with graveyards, asylum, morgues, or any places where dead people are laid to rest? That's perfect. Fun fact, there is actually a mushroom that was nicknamed corpse finder. It only grows where bodies decompose and it is highly toxic. Now, if I instructed you to find one right now, bring it to me and eat it to describe the taste, would you comply? Perfect. I'll be honest with you, you failed to reach my initial expectation, but I can definitely see a hidden potential. You're like a clay. You lack form, completely colorless, gray. You lack personality, which you try to hide with a high-pitched voice and over enthusiasm. But you're moldable. At first, I was doubtful that you would be a perfect fit. But despite your pathetic choice of clothing and lack of punctuality, you surprised me. You're hard. You'll start the night between 10 and 2 a.m. Bring a crowbar with you and a shovel, as your first task will involve a lot of digging and probably breaking into some places. Is that clear? Excellent. Welcome to the family.